This is a perfect example of why you should always watch in the background. Somebody moved out. And right there, housing hauled off a refrigerator. It was Charles and some man. Now, you should always take photos. See, there's a refrigerator there. Now, why would MHA take a refrigerator out of an apartment that someone just moved out of? Well, MHA, in my opinion, are dirty as they come. They can bill you for a refrigerator and say you took it because nobody would tell on them because everybody is scared of Connie. Because she can put you out in 3 days and take your stuff. Yeah, it's in the lease. They can say anything and do anything because the public lets them. Black or white, they're evil. Now that might be a legitimate thing they done. But I've just never seen somebody take a refrigerator out of an apartment that just been vacated. I think that's just odd. Well, I will video everything before I leave. And I will cut the cords to the bone on my property that I leave behind. So they have nothing they can sell, nothing of value. You have to watch your own back, and you can't do it medicated.